Breather is the first drug-free, evidence-based respiratory muscle training device designed to serve patients with COPD, CHF, dysphagia, stroke, hypertension, Parkinson's, and neuromuscular disease. Its purpose for use is to improve respiratory muscle weakness, dyspnea, quality of life, and speech and swallow performance. The first breather was invented by therapist Peggy Nicholson in 1980 and has been prescribed to over 1 million patients. This new model builds on the success of the original and strives to further meet the needs of patients worldwide. The body was redesigned to accommodate patients with poor hand strength. The inspiratory and expiratory dials work independently of each other and now range from a negative 50 centimeters to a positive 55 centimeters of water pressure. The mouthpiece provides a superior seal for patients with a weak mouth grip. It now comes with a 15 millimeter to 22 millimeter adapter. And most importantly, patient compliance is high because they feel quality of life improvements within days. Evidence-based results of respiratory muscle training with a device such as the breather include increased MIP-and-MAP, improved oxygen saturation, reduced hyperinflation, improved laryngeal function for speech and swallowing, and improved delivery and distribution of inhaled medication. All this leads to faster weaning from mechanical ventilation, shorter length of stay, and lowered probability of hospital readmissions.
color of this single pillow can inspire the paint colors for your entire design, or the color of this couch, or the color of this door. But identifying that paint color can be tricky, unless you have the color reader. It helps you design confidently. With the color reader, you can identify a paint color instantly. Doesn't matter the brand, doesn't matter the color standard, doesn't matter where you find that color. Place the color reader lens on the color you want to identify. Then check the color reader mobile app. It immediately gives you the paint color you're looking for, its name, its brand, its color number. And it also gives you a palette of complementary colors. No more guessing by eye, no more scrutinizing fan decks, no more wondering about how close the paint color is. This dish to this wall to this trim. That easy. And with color pinned down quickly, you can focus on designing. Get inspired. Realize your vision. Be confident with color. As a painter, you know that paint color matters to your customers, and they always have questions. What color trim goes best with this wall? What color is the paint on the house next door? Does the paint brand you use have this color? Can you match this rug? How do you get answers to these questions fast so that you can get on with painting? With the color reader, all those questions can be answered in less than a second, and that means you can paint confidently. The color reader identifies paint color instantly. Doesn't matter the brand, doesn't matter the color standard, doesn't matter where you find that color. Place the color reader lens on the color you want to identify. Then check the mobile app. It gives you the paint color you need, its name, its brand, its color number. And it also gives you a palette of complementary colors. No more guessing by eye. No more scrutinizing fan decks. No more awkward decisions with customers about subjective color decisions. Get the job done fast. Make your customers happy. Be confident with color.